Hello, my name is Mark Richards. I'm a hands-on software architect, author, and also the founder of developer2architect.com. I'm teaching a one-day hands-on software architecture class called Software Architecture, the Hard Parts. And I want to take the opportunity to tell you about what this class is about. We begin this class by talking about some of the business and technical drivers for architectural modularity. In other words, breaking apart our systems into multiple parts. Then I talk about service granularity, what the size of those parts should be, and how to get service granularity right. Now, once we break apart systems necessarily, and we need to still communicate and access that data. In this section, I talk about remote data access. In other words, accessing data we no longer own. Then we move on to communication protocols. I discuss the differences and trade-offs between synchronous and asynchronous communication and when to use each of these. I then move on to managing workflows from a orchestration versus a choreography standpoint, and then talk about distributed transactions, both atomic transactions, eventual consistency, and also compensating updates when errors do occur. Now, I wrap all of this together in terms of something called transactional sagas, essentially ways of building effective distributed architectures. So please join me for this one-day hands-on class, Software Architecture, the Hard Parts, at CodeCrafts in Vienna on May 23rd, 2025. I hope to see you there.